Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you could get the new ULTRON avatar decoration for your Discord profile from the new Season 2.5 Discord quest brought to you by Marvel Rivals. If you guys didn't know, Season 2.5 is now out in Marvel Rivals, and with that of course they bring another Discord quest to Discord, and so if we go to the Discovery tab on the left side of your screen and go to the Quests tab, you'll see the ULTRON avatar decoration here, and all you have to do is play Marvel Rivals for 15 minutes. Now guys, before I show you how to get this thing, all I'm going to ask for you is to subscribe to my channel and join the Discord server in the link in the description below. We recently hit 2,000 subscribers, and in our giveaways channel in our Discord server, there is a giveaway for a month of Discord Nitro to 3 different winners, or in other words, 3 months of Discord Nitro. It ends in 6 days, so make sure to join my Discord server. It is linked in the description below, and make sure to subscribe for more Discord tutorials. Anyways, right back to the video. Okay, so as we can see, it says you have to play Marvel Rivals for 15 minutes, and this quest ends in 6 days on June 6, 2025. So all we're going to do here is we're going to click Accept Quest. Then you're going to choose the platform that you're playing on, whether it'll be console or desktop. Quickly, I just want to note here, if you are on console, you're going to have your console account connected to your Discord account. So let's say you're on PlayStation, you have to go to the user settings here, you'll have to go to connections, and let me just turn this off, you have to go to connections, and you'll have to connect your PlayStation Network account. You will click continue, you will launch it, you'll sign in with your PlayStation account that you're playing on, and it'll be connected to your Discord account. And make sure that you have display as your status on to make sure that they can read what game you're playing. So as long as that is all connected, then you can do a console, or if you're just on desktop, once again, you have to be on PC to actually do this quest. You cannot do it on your phone. You have to have either a PC or a laptop to actually do it on computer. So if you have your game launched on computer, you have to have the Discord PC app open or the Discord browser app open at the same time as your game is open in order for the progress to go up. So we're going to click Quest on desktop, and as you can see, it'll just say 0%. So now I'm going to start up Marvel Rivals, and we'll see the percent go up. Okay, so as you can see that we have launched the game, we can see that the percent bar is actually starting to go up. So simply, I'm going to play the game or you can either play the game, let the game run, whatever you'd like. You can play the game for 15 minutes, and I'll come back when this is at 100%, and we could check out what this avatar decoration actually looks like. So I'll cut back to the video once we hit that percentage. And there we go. So now we can see that the quest is at a full 100%, which means we can now claim this reward. And we can also see the trailer here for the new season. But anyways, let's click on Claim Reward. Then you'll verify yourself, and it will apply to your account. And there we go. Congratulations, you just earned the ULTRON avatar decoration. It's yours to show off for the next 2 months. And if you think it's extra cool, keep it with Nitro. So this is one of those avatar decorations that if you have Discord Nitro on your account, then you could actually keep this avatar decoration forever. So then you don't have to worry about it, because if you don't have Nitro, then you only get to keep it for 2 months. Now just looking at this avatar decoration, it is a lot cleaner than the Emma Frost one that they had earlier. I think this one actually looks really clean, actually, especially for a free decoration. And I do love Marvel Rivals, so this is definitely a big deal, and that's why I'm making a video on this quest today. But anyways, so that is how you do that. Now, how to claim it, you could of course click Use Now, but pretend you just close this for whatever reason. You could always go into your user settings, and then go under the Profiles tab in your settings, and then just scroll down and click on Avatar Decoration, and change decoration. Then you can see all the decorations you have. You can also see all the ones that are actually available to purchase, and you could click on this. It'll go here, and you could click Apply. And there it is on your profile. And I bet there's actually some pretty cool combinations that you could do with this avatar decoration, with some profile pictures to make it look even cooler than it is. But this one genuinely looks really, really sick. But anyways, and then you just click Save Changes, of course, to save it to your account. But nonetheless, though, that is how you get the free avatar decoration for Ultron and for Marvel Rivals Season 2.5. Once again, reminding you guys that there is the giveaway for Discord Nitro in my Discord server, so make sure to join that. It'll be linked in the description below. As well as please subscribe. We're going for 3,000 subscribers now, and it would be a big deal. We're eventually going to push to 10K, but, you know, we got to start small. But anyways, if you guys want to see more Discord tutorials, there'll be some linked in the description below, as well as on my YouTube channel. There's plenty of Discord tutorials on how to create the best Discord server, as well as setting up different bots, permissions, and all of the above. So I will be making a new video soon on another Discord update that's coming out for Discord orbs. I want to make one for the badge itself, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys in the next Discord tutorial. Bye-bye.